Okay, everybody, welcome to Cicadaville. I know a lot of you probably have not heard what these things sound like, so if you mind, just take a listen. And this is my deck. I don't know if you see all these. These are just the shells before they hatched. All over the bottom of the deck. All over here. I probably have, I don't know, a few hundred just sitting around the front of my house, back of my house, on the trees. They're really disgusting. Right? One more listen and hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.